In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock in a financial period in Xero. This process is crucial for ensuring the integrity of your accounting records by preventing any accidental changes once you've finalized your financial reports. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account. You can open your preferred web browser and head over to the Xero login page. If you haven't already bookmarked this site for easy access, now might be a great time to do that. Once you are on the login page, simply click on Log In. Next, enter your email address and password for your Xero account. If you happen to use a password manager, this step should be quick. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Xero dashboard. This is your main hub where you can get an overview of your financial data. From here, look for your company name in the top menu and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select Settings. In the Settings menu, you might notice that there are basic options immediately available. However, for our task today, we need to dive deeper. So, go ahead and click on Looking for Advanced Settings. This will take you to a more detailed view of your account options. In the Advanced Settings area, find and click on Financial Settings. This section houses all the important parameters you need to manage your company's financial reporting preferences. To proceed with locking in your financial period, locate the Lock Dates subsection. This option allows you to set specific dates, effectively freezing any transactions before these dates from being altered. Now it's time to set up the dates. Here, you'll define which period you want to lock. Carefully consider the cutoff date. It's typically the end date of the last closed month, quarter, or year. After you input the desired lock date, take a moment to review your selection. This is a crucial step as it ensures that only designated people with the correct permissions can make changes to part of your records if necessary. Once you're satisfied with the lock dates and any additional settings you've configured, click on Save. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully locked in a financial period in Xero. Remember, this is a powerful tool to maintain the accuracy and integrity of your financial information by preventing unintended changes. It's always advisable to review your financial statements thoroughly before setting these locks, as you're essentially finalizing and securing the data. If you need to unlock this period later, you can revisit these settings, but it's best done with caution. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.